What's up, guys? So I've been looking for a way to run my 3S batteries because I put a 223S system into my Gorgon Quake. I upgraded everything. I did GPM shocks, GPM wheelie bar wheels, but I couldn't figure out how to get a 3S battery. It's a little tight. So I decided to use a longer screw and a nut to extend it as a shim. So 18 millimeters, 2 millimeters, and then all I did was through, and then you're gonna get the screw to go through, same thing. Yep, and that's gonna be the perfect size shim to get it to lift up to be on the battery. It's got a metal bottom piece, so that way it's able, with a rubber bushing, so it's able to spin. So that nut going on just goes right to the metal piece, and it allows it to be able to spin. So let's just go ahead and put that back on there. Should go right in there and there, and I can still tighten this down a little bit because it's a little loose. Here more. Boom. That's the way it's done, gentlemen. Very easy. Keeps your batteries in with a 3S system. See ya.